Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about Flutter web, and in this video we create mobile version website and desktop version website. Now we update default project. Remove widget scaffold, then create layout builder, write context, constraints, write size and box, and return, remove comments. Write debug show checked not banner false. Create constructor, add const. And now we write if, write constraints, then dot and select max width, min 600, then write return size and box, and else, and write return sized box. Save, and now we create file mobile body dot dart and create file desktop body dot dart, then write class desktop body extends status widget, add method build, add constructor, save, then we create class mobile body extends status widget, add method build, add constructor, return sized box, open main.dart and write mobile body, then write desktop body, save, and now we'll start with mobile version. Create widget scaffold, write a bar, write title, text, mobile, style, write text style, write color, colors dot white, save, a bar background color, colors dot green, and we create to file desktop body, write scaffold, then write a bar, write title, text, write desktop, write style, text style, write color, colors dot white, save, write background color, write colors dot green, save. Open mobile body and write background color, colors dot green 100, write body, then write list view, children, write container, margin edge inset dot all 8, then write color, colors dot green 400, then write height 300, then write column children list dot generate 10, write return container height 100, margin edge insets dot all 8, color, colors green 300, save, hot restart, check mobile version, then we open desktop body.dart, add const, write body, write row children, write expanded, write list view, write children, write container, write margin edge insets dot all 8, color, write colors dot green 400, save, then write height 300, const, then write list and write column, then we write children list dot generate 10, write return container height 100, color, then write colors dot green 300, margin edge insets dot all 8, save, const, then we write container width 200, margin edge insets dot all 8, then we write color, write colors dot green 400, add const, save, and now we test our work, mobile and desktop version website. and we can add background colors dot green 100. Save. Desktop version and switch mobile version. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.